This is the asset management screen in White Hat Dynamic. Here we see all the sites that we have onboarded for scanning. One major bottleneck when adding a new site to be onboarded is that the user will enter in all the information about the site, send it to our onboarding team where they will begin the onboarding process. And then when they begin the onboarding process, they discover that our scanners cannot reach the site that the user wants scanned. And then this creates a bottleneck in that process, and usually there's a lot of back and forth in resolving the issue. And the issue is usually with the site that's being scanned. It's not available because of firewall configurations, networking reasons, a variety of things, but it's something that the user or the site owner, not White Hat, needs to resolve. And so this feature that we added, the goal here is to raise that issue as soon as possible to the user so they can go take action and make sure that our scanners can actually reach their site. So when adding an asset in White Hat, what we're going to do here is we're going to go and try to add a site that belongs to me. So we're going to go to moonthedog.net, and we can see here that there's some sort of problem. We're getting a 404 not found. So if we go to White Hat and we try to add that, we'll go ahead and do add a site. Note that this feature is only available when we're trying to add external assets, sites that are publicly available. And then you'll see in this first step here, we give a notification that we are going to test the site for connectivity, and we can't onboard that site until we receive a valid response. And if we go in here and we try to enter in my website, we'll hit the test connectivity button, and you can see here that we've got a error that we got a 404 not found. And so we'll give some information about making sure that the information they need to make sure that their firewall's allowing traffic from our IP range, and that if they do need assistance, they can contact support. Otherwise, they know that there's a problem with our scanners connecting to the site. They can go to the site owner and try to debug why we can't reach that. So let's go ahead and then let's bring my site back up. Okay, so I have fixed the problem with my website. We can confirm that here. So now if I refresh, we can see that the website's up and running again. So now when I go and add the asset, I'll go ahead and enter in my website address, hit test connectivity, and you can see now I can continue on with the onboarding process. So what this will do is it raises the issue earlier. The customer can take care of it quickly. And once they enter in the remaining information, it'll go to our onboarding team who can begin the onboarding process with the site available, and it'll go through the process that much quicker without having to go to the back and forth about resolving the website issues.